Let's divide 340 by 2. Hey math adventurers, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math fun. Alright, let's dive into our first step. We're using the first digit of 340, which is 3. Let's see how many times 2 fits into 3. 2 goes into 3 one time, so our first digit in the answer is 1. Let's check 1 times 2 is 2. We write 2 below the 3. Now we subtract 3 minus 2 leaves us with 1. That's our remainder for this step. You're doing great, one step down and you're already rocking it. Now let's bring down the next digit 4 to join the 1. Get ready for step 2. Step 2, here we come. We bring down the 4 next to our remainder 1, making it 14. How many times does 2 fit into 14? You got it, 2 goes into 14 7 times, so 7 is our next digit. Let's multiply 7 times 2 equals 14, perfect. Subtract 14 from 14, what do we get? 0, no remainder this time. Woohoo, you're on a roll, math is so much fun. We have one more digit to go. Let's bring down the last digit 0 for our final step. Last step, let's finish strong. We bring down the 0 next to our remainder 0, making it just 0. How many times does 2 fit into 0? Exactly, 2 goes into 0 0 times. Our last digit is 0. Let's check 0 times 2 is 0, easy peasy. Subtract 0 from 0, we get 0. We've used all the digits. Amazing, you conquered this division problem like a math superhero. And that's it, we've divided 340 by 2. Give yourselves a big clap. So 340 divided by 2 is 170. We did it, we learned how to divide 340 by 2 using long division. Remember, every step is a chance to shine. Great job, math stars, keep practicing and you'll be a division whiz in no time. Check out more videos on Let's Stud.